Someone asked me how I was doing 3 days after Terry passed. I said, I'm okay. I wasn't, but I'd already learned that the true answer made people uncomfortable, and the short answer let them move on to something easier. Have you done that? Have you answered, I'm fine, when you weren't? Have you nodded along in a conversation, letting someone believe the smaller version of what you're carrying? Have you gone quiet in a room full of people because the real story felt like too much to hand someone? Here's the truth. You don't need someone to hear you. You need to stop editing yourself before you speak. Most of us think being heard is something someone else does for us. We wait for the right person, the right moment, the safe space. And while we wait, we shrink the story down to something easier to say out loud. Smaller and smaller until the version people hear isn't the truth anymore. It's the summary. There's a story a lot of men my age were handed without ever agreeing to it. Real men carry loss in silence, say less, need less, grieve on your own time in your own room where it won't inconvenience anyone. That story didn't come from your wife. It came from somewhere else entirely, and it's been running your mouth for you ever since. That story is the monster in this level, not the people around you, not your own grief. The story that told you silence was strength. Being heard doesn't start in someone else's ears. It starts in your own mouth, telling yourself the true version first. Say the true sentence, even if you're the only one in the room. The summary keeps you safe. The truth moves you forward. You were never too much. You were just talking to the wrong story. If this is where you are right now, the book Rewrite the Story walks through exactly what changed when I stopped editing myself. Links in the show notes. And if you want to be around men who are doing this same work, the Uplifting Life Partners community link is there too. And most important, remember, you are extraordinary